Good morning, class 7. We are in chapter weather, climate and adaptation, in which in previous lecture we talk about weather and climate. Today I am going to teach you about in previous lecture we talk about weather. In this class I will teach you about climate and adaptation. Let us start. Adaptation of animals. The climate of a place affects the plants, animals and people living there in many ways. The most difficult climate are extreme heat and extreme cold. The animals can survive in most all climates because they have many ways of adapting to extreme temperature. So first of all, here, the first topic is adaptation of animal. It is really quite difficult to survive in those areas where temperature, where climate is extremely hot and extremely cold. Let us talk about adaptation to cold climates. You have been seen that it is very cold in polar region. In winter, the temperature can drop as below as minus 37 degrees Celsius. Animals such as seals, polar bears, etc. are able to live under such extreme cold conditions. They are adapted to it. Let us see how. First, polar bear. The bodies of polar bear and several other animals living in very cold conditions are covered with dense, fine fur and trapped air to keep them warm. The body structure of polar bear is quite suitable for the survival in these colder regions. Their body is covered with dense fine fur that trap air to keep them warm. Polar bear have two thick layers of fur as well as a layer of fat under the skin. These provide excellent insulation, so much so that the polar bear has to move slowly, otherwise the heat generated during physical activity can make it overheated. When it does become overheated due to physical activities, the polar bear goes for swimming in the water to cool off. Its wide and large palm help to swim. It can close its nostril and remain underwater for long duration. So, their skin have two thick layer of fur. Their layer provide excellent insulation, so much so that the polar bear has moved slowly, otherwise the heat generated during the physical activities can make it overheat. When it does not become overheated due to physical activity, the polar bear goes for swimming in water to cool off. Its wide and large paws help to swim. It can close its nostril and remains underwater for long duration in those areas. It is interesting to note that the polar bear has white fur which camouflages it with the white snow and make it difficult to be seen. So when white snow is there in that region, then polar bear invisible into it. This protects the polar bear against predators and also help to catch prey. Let us talk about another living organism which is penguin. Penguin are found in polar region. They have similar adaptation. Their white color help them to camouflage with the snow. Their feathers, thick skins, and fat under the skin provide insulation against cold. They handle together when it is very cold. This keep them warm. So, whatever their feathers, thick skin, fat under the skin, insulated against the cold. They handle together when it is very hot. It keeps them warm. Penguins are also good swimmer. They are streamlined bodies and web feet with the help of swimming. So these are the two animals, polar and penguin, who adapt this extreme cold climates. Let us talk about another topic, another animal which is birds. Birds use their feathers to protect their bodies from the cold. However, this protection is not enough for the extreme winter in the polar region. To escape the cold, they migrate to warmer region during winter. Many of them come to India. In winter, you can see migratory birds in the Bharatpur and Sultanpur bird sanctuaries in India. They go back to Siberia in polar region after winter is over. So you can see how birds are migrate Siberia to India or India to Siberia. Let us talk about another animal which is seals. Seals have a thick deposition of fat called blubber that protect them from the cold. A few other ways in which animals reduce heat loss for as follows. Reptiles keep their body warm by absorbing solar radiation during the day. At winter, they seek shelter to keep warm. However, this is not possible in polar region. Therefore, handling any reptiles are found in this region. Part of the bodies such as ears, tail, legs lose heat first. Hence, animal in cold climate have a small ear, tail, and short legs. Another way to reduce heat loss is to reduce body activities. Some mammals hibernate during the winter months to reduce loss of heat. Okay, so these are the few ways in which animal reduce heat loss are okay. So you need to read this topic one more time. Topic is adaptation to cold climates, in which we talk about polar bears, penguins, birds, and seals. Okay.